How to start dropshipping on Etsy. Hi guys, so the first thing we're going to do today in this video tutorial is to go to the Etsy website. So as you can see here, I'm already here on the website. Now we proceed to make your own store and new products to start your dropshipping list. So in this case, I'm just going to show you a store as an example to see what it looks like. So now we have a store. In a store, there are various components. So here, as you can see, there you got to have a branding, such as having a banner, your logo, and your personal photo as well. Then we have your motor announcement here. So there's an announcement, and down below is where you can find your FAQs or your information about your store and so on. So those are the various elements in a shop. So here you also have your location, your amount of sales, and your feedback. And then right here we have your list of sections of your products or listings. So when drop shipping in Etsy, you must have a product that doesn't solve problems, but those that are hobbies or wants. So to expound, when you have a listing and there's this big listing and then another big listing, so the amount of listings you have is the size of your collection. So that's what you have to keep in mind when you start a store. You have to get at least 25 to 30 listings as fast as you can until you reach 250 to 60. So here we have this store. As you can see, they're doing very well in their store, and you can see in their products that none of them can solve any problems, but they're products that can provide gifts to someone or for your wants, your hobbies, or just collections or personal gifts. So how do we find a product that has a good niche? So one way to find out is to go through Google Trends. So Google Trends is recommended because this will show you what is relevant lately. So in my case, you can just type in sticker here. So in my case, I put sticker. So let's see what's the first thing that would appear here. So here sticker topic is rising. So let's see how it's doing in Etsy. So as you can see, there are a lot of going on for stickers. There are stationery stuff. So here we're going to choose a product and see in order for you to know how to be able to sell products such as these. So here, this is a sticker. So it's a cat loaf sticker. So this is the sample. So we're just gonna search it. So here we can see a lot of results on the stickers. So here we got a similar one. So as you can see, there's a lot of stickers related, some enamel pins. So here we see a similar one, so we're just gonna click on that. So there it is a cat loaf as well, but in earrings. So we're gonna search here to see more about on cat stickers. So with just one search, you are able to have 10 products that are doing well, such as these. So now you've sourced a lot of products of your shop. So next thing you're going to do is to collect the links and put it on your Google Sheets and source them. So here I'm just searching on the products. So let's see if this store is doing well. So here So here the store is selling enamel pins as well, so we're gonna search it to optimize more for the listings. So there, as you can see, there are a lot of results as well on enamel pins, so you can add that to your links as well, or in your listings. So as you can see, there are a lot of products that involve in enamel pins. So there are cats, there are also animal style enamel pins, there are themed pins. So here I'm just gonna go around and see the products. So here I'm gonna choose this one. So here there is this product, this animal pins. So next thing you're going to do is to collect the links and put it to your Google Sheets and source them. So now you've sourced about 25 to 30 listings. We saw a lot of products going well, which will guide you to starting your products. So the next thing we're going to do is take note on making your products, such as this one. This is its title, so this is a perfect example with this description as well, because it's specific, so it will lead to a lot of results when shoppers will search. So for your photos of your products, this is a perfect example as well to display them like this one. So you can see there are a lot of angles and information. So that is how you have to start in your shop in Etsy. So now we proceed to your store, where you will introduce your sections like these. Really organized, the thumbnails are good. So here, as you can see, the products are doing well. Here are the feedbacks of the people, and now you've got your store ready and running. So this is why dropshipping in Etsy is really advantage now to people this year, because this helps you keep optimize your products, get new products, being able to focus in seasons, getting that 5-star reviews, so that your store will keep up and do well. Because in dropshipping, you are able to research and find out what your niche for your store. So that's about it, guys, on how to start dropshipping on Etsy. I hope you learn a lot in this video, and have a nice day.